Today, you will learn how to insert arrow in Word document using different easy methods. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. The first and most flexible way to insert an arrow is by using shapes. Go to the Insert tab and click on Shapes in the Illustrations group. A menu will appear showing many shapes. In the Lines section, you will see simple arrow lines, and in the Block Arrows section, you will see thick arrow designs. Click on the arrow you like, then click and drag on your page to draw it. Once the arrow appears, you can resize it by dragging the small circles around it. You can also change its color, thickness, style, or add effects from the Shape Format tab that appears after selecting the arrow. This method is best when you want full control over the arrow's design. The second method is by using symbols. Click the Insert tab, then click Symbol and choose More Symbols. In the window that opens, change the font to Wingdings. Scroll down and you will find many arrow symbols. Select the one you need and click Insert. This arrow behaves like normal text, so you can change its size using font size options, but you cannot stretch it or redesign it like a shape. The third and fastest method is using the keyboard. If you're in a hurry, you can insert arrows using keyboard shortcuts. Hold the Alt key and type numbers on the numeric keypad. Alt plus 27 for left arrow, Alt plus 26 for right arrow, Alt plus 24 for up arrow, Alt plus 29 for left-right arrow, and Alt plus 18 for up-down arrow. This method is very quick when you just need a simple arrow in text. Now you know multiple ways to insert arrows depending on your need. You can use shapes for full design control, symbols for text-style arrows, and keyboard shortcuts for speed. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the Easy Guide channel, and check out other beginner-friendly Microsoft Word tutorials on Easy Guide.